Hey guys, welcome to the TheDroidGuy channel. For today's episode of product review, here is another very useful product, the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more product reviews. To begin with, the Lefant M210 robotic vacuum cleaner uses the Lefant app to manage and control the device. This is a powerful vacuum cleaner with a strong suction power. Not only that, it does not choose what garbage to clean but cleans all kinds of garbage it can detect. Its 11 inches diameter and 2.8 inches height allows the device to easily work around the house, even under the sofa, bed or other house furniture that badly needs cleaning. It has a wide coverage surface area. It also features a sensor that prevents the device from dropping down and a free move 2.0 technology that automatically detects obstacles and instantly avoids it. Another great feature of Lefant Robotic Vacuum Cleaner is that it has 4 cleaning modes to choose from, such as random and zigzag mode, the edge mode and the spot mode. You can conveniently choose among the different modes from the Lefant app and it will quietly starts the cleaning process. For a huge surface space to clean, not to worry, it can work around 100 minutes of cleaning time. Lastly, when all the work is done, the vacuum cleaner automatically returns to its charging stand to recharge. There you have it, the Lefant M210 robotic vacuum cleaner. I hope that this review has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews. Thanks for watching.